So today we're going to be making slime. So I put a tiny bit of this baking soda, this bowl, and we're going to be using this and this and some glue from Hobby Lobby, and my dad's putting the glue on. So we're gonna, okay, that's good. We also have a spatula here. So I'm gonna put that right on the spin, grab the baking soda, pour it in, all of it. Has to be. Stir with our spatula for a little till it's all mixing until it's nice and mixed in. So next we are gonna grab the bucket. So we're gonna find all the glitters, the colors, the sprinkles in here, and let's use green wood. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. You get to do one more. There. Perfect. And now let's see if that will make a teal color. Yeah, that makes teal. That's a really pretty teal color. We're gonna add a tiny bit more blue. And then we're gonna mix that blue drop in. And it's gonna be like a nice greenish teal color. So it looks nice and teal. We're gonna add some nice green glitter that matches it. And I was like, we can make this green. There, I don't know what to do. Because this looks so pretty. Look how pretty this is, Dad. It's really metallic. And then spray it some in. And then we are going to start mixing that in. So it's nice and pretty. And soon it will come together. And we're gonna keep mixing with that pretty goodness. That's obviously pretty. Very, very pretty. This is not sticky. Like, wait, this is, oh no. This is just sticky. I still cannot get it off my hands. Now I'm mixing until we have a nice color, but you can do it any color you want. But just follow my steps. It looks so metallic. We need to clean the walls good. Baking soda have stuff. This is so fun.